Hey there, mathletes, and welcome to our session on combining like terms. Now, when I think about combining like terms, it takes me back to when I was just a little mathlete, and I spent some time in front of the television, like many of you. And the show that I watched a lot was this one, Sesame Street. Well, on this show, they had this great song, and it's a song that's going to be helpful for us as we do our work today. So I want to play it for you here. It's called One of These Things.
One of these things is not like the others. One of these things doesn't belong. Can you tell which thing is not like the other? Every time I finish this song.
Isn't that a catchy tune? Anyway, let's keep that song in mind as we take a look at our problems today. Let's start here with our rookie level. And at our rookie level, we just have some objects here. And what we want to do is we want to identify which one is not like the others. So as we do that here, as we look at the first one, well, it's pretty obvious. This can of Dr. Pepper is not like the cans of Mountain Dew. So this would be my unlike thing. As we go to the second one, look, we've got 3 red objects on a stick, and oh yeah, it's pretty obvious this toilet plunger does not like these suckers. This would definitely not taste the same as these two things. So we've identified the things that are not like the others. Now let's move on to our math examples, or our algebraic examples, and let's try to identify which like terms are similar, and then what we're going to do is we're going to combine them. So as I look at this first one, it looks like I have a b term here, and one here, and one here. So we're going to be able to combine all these because these are all like terms. So as I add these first two terms together, negative 12b plus 6b would be negative 6b. Now we're going to bring in this last term, minus 3b. Now if you remember back to our algebra unit, subtracting a positive is the same as adding a negative, or adding the opposite. So now we're going to combine these two, and negative 6b plus negative 3b is negative 9b. So that's our answer in simplest form. Let's move on to the next one. In this one, let's see, they look similar, but these are the two that are like terms. This center one isn't a like term. Can you see why? Yeah, this one's got that exponent there. And that makes it an unlike term. That's different than just a regular g. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine these two on the ends. We can combine those because they are like terms. So if I take 5g and subtract 3g from it, I'm going to get 2g. And then we're going to add to it 12g squared. Now if these were like terms, I could combine them, but these are unlike terms. So this is our expression in simplest form. Well, I hope this session is good for you guys. Again, don't forget, from the Math Coach, keep practicing and build your math muscle.